presently the Culture, Arts, and Tourism Officer. Let us all welcome Miss Eileen Gande Acor.
Okay, our last judge. Winner of International Modern Dance Competition at Liceo Batangas in 1982, 1984, 1985, and 1987. Winner of Dance Celebration Dance Competition, High School category at Dilasan University, Manila in 1999, 2000, 2003. Project Director of Sayaw Pilipinas, held annually at Dilasan Lipa for 17 years. Grand Prize winner at Cultural Center of the Philippines. Wi-Fi Independence Dance on Film Competition in year 2000 and year 2001. Art Director of Dilasan Lipa. Ladies and gentlemen, our board of judges, Chairman of the board, wala po iba, Mr. Roger Pasco.